Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Today I'd like to share information about 2 new brackets added to our corbels and brackets collection, which were recently released by Osborne. Each of these brackets are offered exclusively in paint grade lumber. First, I would like to introduce you to the Contemporary Mission bracket. This stylish mission profile is 9 inches in height, 6 inches in depth, and 1 13/16 inches wide. 2 keyhole brackets are already installed on the back of the corbel for ease of installation. The Contemporary Mission bracket is part number 80620. Next, I'd like to show you our large bar bracket. This stylish profile is 9 inches in height, 9 inches in depth, 3 inches in width. Each corbel will come with 8 1 1/4 inch wood screws for installation. This corresponds to the pre-drilled holes on the top and back of the bracket. The large bar bracket is part number 80631. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find either bracket that I discussed today available on our website, www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.